Oh, it's chilly, boys. Cameraman Adam says, time to film this video. See if he's up. What's up, buddy? There he is. What's up, big guy?
Ready to go?
Film this video?
Yeah, you got 4,200 likes?
The on foot? No. They called my bluff. You guys didn't get the likes for this video. I said 4,200 likes and we'll be able to do the on foot test review. This is the Gucci slide Heely.
Nice.
Down to film now?
Yeah, let's
go. Good to go?
Yeah, let's go.
I was thinking we'd film here.
No, I told you last time.
My girlfriend's got shit going on. I can't film at my place.
Dude. Okay, come downstairs.
Why are you being quiet? What the fuck? Why can't we just film here? What's going on? Okay, the camera's on, so if you have something to tell me, then tell me to turn it off. What's going on?
You're supposed to fucking be here, dude.
I'm not supposed to be here?
Yes, you're not supposed to film in here.
That's serious.
Of course. Dude, you cost my parents like several $100s.
Are your parents even home? What do you mean several $100s?
To replace the fucking bush, dude.
Oh my god. Y'all hearing? Is it still on? Yep. Y'all hearing this? So I just got over to cameraman Adams. Apparently we're not allowed here. You said this yesterday. I thought you were goofing.
No, I'm not goofing. Do you not realize that you did something bad to them?
I didn't do something bad to them. I broke their bush.
Yeah.
Ironically, ironically, it was the last time we made a Heely out of a Yeezy. That's when that happened, right? Mm-hmm. That's pretty funny. So can we film here?
Shit. No. My dad wants to talk to you upstairs, actually.
Fuck
he
off.
just texted me.
No, he didn't.
Yeah.
He's home?
Yeah. He's upstairs.
Why are you in a bad mood?
Because you put me in a shitty situation.
He actually wants
go
to talk to
upstairs and talk to him. Yeah, I'm not fucking dealing with this. You go up there.
Can I bring my camera, do you think? Or?
I wouldn't, but you can if you want.
Are you serious?
Yes. Get up. I'm not talking to him. You fucking do it.
Okay. Okay, so his dad just texted for me to go upstairs and talk to him. Is he actually mad?
Yes. Do you not? How do you not understand this?
Okay, well keep the camera on and see if you can maybe hear something. I don't know.
A few moments later.
So, is it time to go?
I need to go right now.
What did he say to you?
What's this problem? I need to go right now.
Yeah, I mean,
fucking threatened
he
me.
doesn't. Yeah, he doesn't like you filming here.
Call the cops.
You've destroyed his property before. I'm not surprised.
One fucking bush.
Yeah, one fucking bush. That's vandalism of over like $500. You had to spend a lot of money to fix that.
Okay, we need to go. He's pissed.
Yeah, that's why I said.
Fuck.
Yeah, let's get out of here.
All right.
Tell your girlfriend to fuck off.
Alrighty. I didn't know it was that bad.
Yes.
He just reamed me out.
That's why I always told you to talk to him, because I wanted you to see how mad he actually was.
Just reamed me out. Boys, yeah. His dad just fucking tore me an asshole up there. He is a dick. He doesn't watch these videos.
He's just angry.
Yeah, he is angry for nothing. Okay, we gotta go. Sorry to disrupt your peace, kitty, but I gotta go. Thank you. And out we go. Fuck that house. Jesus Christ, dude. Insult my father. Scared the fuck out of me. Adam forgot something inside real quick. Before he comes back, I'm just gonna spew a little bit. His dad is a dick. Holy shit. He just rang me out like a motherfucker. I stood there and I couldn't even say anything. I'm just like, okay, sir. Okay, sir. And Adam's coming back. All right, boys, plan B. Off to my place, I guess.
Yeah. I mean, I'm always on your side, dude, but
I
love that you get in trouble so often. Like, almost all your friends' parents
hate me, bro.
Yeah, because you fuck it up somehow with everyone.
How?
You're just not a good parent friend, you know?
Yeah, but I'm a good friend.
Like, some of your friends, like, are great people, but their parents just hate them and stuff like that, and like, no, you're one of those friends.
I was telling them when you were inside. I just stood there and I was like, what the fuck? Like, I don't know what to say right now. That dude is scary. He's not even big. He's not even big.
He's got dad strength though.
Yeah, probably.
And he's pretty toned for his age.
I just wouldn't fuck with him, for sure.
Yeah.
Wow. So, off to my place, boys. Let's get this video buzzing. 3,000 likes down below for me just getting my ass torn up by a father. I'm fucking 23, bro. When do parents stop, like, treating me like I'm fucking 12?
When you start ruining their bushes.
Fuck the bush, man. Fuck the bush. I'd do it again, too. Well, boys, I didn't expect to make this a vlog video, but fuck you. Let's make it a vlog. Notification squad, where are you at?
Why did you use it, like, make your mouth sounds?
Oh, I fucking ran out of battery. If anyone wants to re-up me on one of these, I'd fucking love you to death. Now, of course y'all know the NameBran fam's real strong. We're marking the game the greatest of all time. Y'all the motherfucking goats. I told y'all yesterday with the custom Gucci Heelys slide video. You got that video 4,200 likes, we do the fucking on-foot performance review. And you called my bluff. We're doing it today anyway.
Oh, you little muffin.
Hey, don't touch my dog!
Jesus.
I'm just kidding, touch me, I'm trying.
Okay.
It's cute.
Yeah, look at you, look at you.
Wow. We miss you on YouTube, Pan.
Yeah, you'll get
Wow.
nothing, you old one.
Alright boys, so getting right into it. Of course, if you guys didn't see the making of video, you can go check it out. It was yesterday's. But we got this right here, and we're gonna use it. Now we've actually done, like I've said, a Yeezy Heely video in the past. Actually, let's clip that right now. That one fucked up. This is the video that made me apparently get kicked out of Adam's house. Cue it! You got it?
Yeah. You broke my fucking bush.
Oh my god.
Oh, get out of there.
You know, it really wasn't that bad, was it?
It was pretty bad.
Like, I didn't fuck up your bush that much.
You took out like about half the branches.
Yeah, it was a bush. Ugly bush anyway. You guys comment down below,
Excuse me.
ugly bush or not.
Now that you're not in my father's house is when you start, you know, making, oh, it's not a big deal.
Yeah, it's not a big deal. And I'll still say he's an asshole. Anyway,
Yeah.
I'll let you guys decide down below. I'm ready to try this bitch out. I've never been good with Heelys. We tried it yesterday. Yeah, it's not good. It's not gonna be good. But let's check it out.
All right, so we're doing this inside or outside?
Probably should do it outside.
Fair enough.
You ready?
Yeah, let's go.
All right, let's go, boys. Easy slide. I gotta grab it first. It's not easy slide either. What the fuck is
Yeah,
it?
you've really been mixing the names up.
Bong, whatever the fuck. Let's go. I present to you the easy slide.
Oh shit!
Oh fuck.
Oh dude,
Oh shit.
is that blood?
Oh, there's smoke.
Dude,
Oh.
are you okay?
There's smoke my house on my. I didn't even look at where it was from.
Oh my god,
Oh,
dude.
Fuck. Oh, that hurts like a bitch.
Oh, yeah,
Oh.
did you hit your face?
Woo. Did I get my hat though?
You're fine on the hat. You got a lot of blood coming out. You got a lot of blood coming out
Woo.
there.
Oh fuck.
Wow.
Do you see that? I just
Yeah.
smoked my fucking hand on my face.
Yeah, wow. Let me see. Your nose, like, do you
Is it
break
kinda
it?
lit?
Yeah, I mean, it's pretty bloody.
It hurts like a bit.
It's got like a bump on it, dude.
I can't really sneeze. I mean, whoa!
Wow.
Again, fuck.
Wow. More physical damage to you this
God,
time.
should I get it on my
Okay.
hat?
Yeah,
Should I get it on my
it's on
hat?
your sweater. No, it's not on your hat though.
Oh fuck. That hurts like a bitch.
Yeah, you might want to get your nose checked out. That's got a bump on it, dude.
Fuck. Quick thumbnail shot.
Quick thumbnail shot.
Is that good?
Yeah,
All right.
looks real gross.
Well, I'd say that was a fucking win.
Yeah, I
Holy
guess.
shit.
Yeah,
My foot,
your
bro.
foot must be fucking freezing.
Oh, cool. Oh, fuck. I can't breathe out of my nose, I swear to God.
Oy.
That was legit best case scenario, boys.
What's it?
Yeah, we do it for the two.
Off to the hospital for the
She's a
boys.
gusher.
Oh.
She's a gusher. Give me a sec. Oh shit, bro. Woo-hoo-hoo!
Oh,
That
man.
is sick.
Wow.
Oh.
That's pretty gnarly.
Oh fuck.
Pretty
I'm
gnarly.
lightheaded as shit. That hurts
bet.
like a bitch. I
Wow.
think we're vlogging this.
Yeah.
Oh,
Here, let's see the sweater. There's a decent amount of blood on the
oh
sweater.
damn it.
That's funny.
Oh,
That's good
one.
stuff.
Woo! I get a tooth there too?
I can't tell where the blood's all coming from. Might be a bit from the gums there too.
I don't know if I got a concussion or what. Oh god, yeah. Now my nose is stuffed.
Yeah, I bet.
Whoa.
Starting to clot.
Yeah, yeah. Shit. Can we get some likes down below for that, boys? I gotta rewatch that footage.
Yeah.
That was hype. Oh god, dude. So,
Fuck.
we all have a broken nose.
It does have a bump on it, that's
Yeah?
for sure. Yeah.
Look kind of chill though.
Looks pretty chill.
Silhouette. Is there a bump? I don't usually have a bump.
Yeah, right there, kind of. I don't
Oh,
wanna- yeah.
shit.
Don't touch it.
Should I try to pop it back into place?
Don't. No, Brent. Don't.
Oh, ow, ow. I don't even know if it's out. Oh, I can do that. Oh, fuck. Lit. Appreciate y'all for watching. What time stamp are we at, bro?
This one clip right here is at 3 minutes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We're gonna come back to y'all in a second. I'm gonna clean myself up a little bit.
Yeah, how you feeling, dude?
Alright, boys, bleeding, I'm feeling good. Bleeding subsided. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. Luckily, it bled so much more once we turned the camera off that we got a dope thumbnail. We'll post that right there.
Are we going to the doctor or what?
I'm not going to the doctor.
No?
Oh, you're fine. Anyway, appreciate y'all for watching. We're marking the game the greatest of all time. If we could get a like down below for doing what we gotta do, boys. It's funny, I ate shit. We just watched the clip again. I ate shit, and the only thing that hurt me was my goddamn elbow.
Really?
Appreciate y'all, man. Marking it. Wow.
Wow.